Hello, good morning children. Let us discuss the answers for the questions given in the last class. Which longitude lies opposite to the 0-degree meridian? Which longitude lies opposite to the 0-degree meridian? It is the international date line. Answer is the international date line. Name any three major latitudes. Three major latitudes. It may be any three major latitudes. That is the Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Three major latitudes. Which is the longest latitude? That is the 0-degree equator. Equator is the longest latitude. What is the difference between the 180-degree meridian and the international date line? 180-degree meridian is a prime meridian and the international date line is to calculate the dates around the world. These are the answers to the questions of the last class. Next, today let us study about the features of latitudes and longitudes. Features of latitudes and longitudes. That is, first, latitudes. Latitudes are drawn horizontally on a map. It is drawn horizontally on the map. This is the latitudes. They are drawn horizontally on the map. Form complete circle except at the two poles, which are points. Now forms a complete circle. It forms a complete circle, children, and except at the point. This is North Pole and this is South Pole point. So it is not making the complete circle at the point. Are parallel lines, they are always equidistant. They are parallel to each other and equidistant. All the distance are equal here. They are parallel and equidistant. Decrease in diameter from equator towards the pole. They decrease in the diameter from equator to pole. This is the equator. From equator to North Pole, they go on decrease in the diameter. See, this will become very small round circle. So the diameter decreases towards the pole. Then what are the features of the longitudes? Longitudes are drawn vertical line from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Meet the lines at the pole. They meet the lines at the pole. Are closest to each other and farthest apart from the equator. They are closest to each other near the pole and they are far near the equator. This is the equator. They are far near the equator. They are vertical lines drawn on the map, meet at the pole. They are close near the poles and far near the equator. These are the features of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are drawn horizontally on a map. Form complete circle except at the two poles, which are points. Are parallel lines, they are always equal distance. Decrease in diameter from equator towards the poles. They decrease in the diameter. Longitudes, they are drawn vertical on a map, meet at the poles. Are closest to each other at the poles and farthest apart at the equator. This is the latitudes and this is the longitudes. These are the latitudes and longitudes, children. Today's word is only the one word, that is equidistant, that is the equal distance between these latitudes. Equal distance between the equal distance. All the latitudes have equal distance, but the diameters will go on decreasing. This is the longest diameter and this goes on decreasing. Now questions. I'll discuss the answers in the next class. Questions. Which imaginary lines meet at the poles? Which imaginary lines meet at the poles? And which latitude is called the equator? Which latitude is called equator? Children, only 2 questions. You have to answer. I will discuss the answers in my next class. Thank you, children.